Welcome to MessageWhiz. In this tutorial, we'll cover everything you need to know about creating senders and sender lists. The sender is the name that appears with the message. Depending on the organization or use case, senders might be a company name, department, a numerical combination, or an employee's name. Sender names that use text are limited to 11 characters, while numeric senders can have up to 20 characters. To get started, click on Senders and then click Create Sender. Type your sender name in the field and click Create. Your sender will appear in the Senders inventory and can be used for any message. Sender lists are lists of multiple senders. When sending messages using a sender list, MessageWhiz randomly assigns the names within the list to your messages. Go to Sender Lists and click the Create Sender List button. Name your list in the field on the top of the screen. You'll see all available senders. Click the checkbox next to the names you want to use. Click on the right arrow in the middle of the screen, and your selections will move across. Click Create to save the list. Your new sender list will appear in the Sender Lists inventory. Thank you for using MessageWhiz. For more tutorials, visit our website or contact our support team.